Hello, the Mr. Boom here, and welcome to FX Billionaire Hub. And this is the weekly analysis that means for next Monday to Friday. And we are going to break down the market trends, key zones, support and resistance areas, and fundamental zones to find out our best entry or market direction. Okay, so before we start, we need to point out few things. Number one is where issue. Okay, where issue. Number two is currently trade where like Donald Trump just visiting China right now, and they're making a lot of trade agreement or trade deal or business deal. And number three is technical issue. Okay, technical issue, last one but not on the list, that is a fidelity issue. Fidelity issue, that means we got CPI in last week, we got PPI in last week. Okay, and if there any rate cut expectation, we will talk about that in upcoming weeks for the upcoming weeks data, and what kind of news is coming in upcoming weeks. We need to really talk about them, and with all of this conclusion, we can decide the market momentum or market movement. So let's dive into the deep analysis. Before we start analyzing, we need to remove all of previous drawing to start first. And as per our trading style or analysis style, we always start our analyzing with higher time frame to find out the market direction or market trend. Then we will find out our entry or key zones in daily or H4 or H1 time frame. Okay, so as per weekly time frame analysis, our weekly time frame says market is on average bullish trend. Okay, bullish trend. Market is still on a strong bullish trend. If you want to see the market movement or market momentum from long time ago, as you can see, the market is still moving on bullish from long time ago. And last week we got a bearish momentum. That means our previous week was bullish and last week was bearish. That means there is something is going to happen there. So let's analyze, or let's continue our analyzing with daily time frame. And if I want to show you our daily time frame momentum, and I already sent a lot of analysis in last week. That was our daily time frame or H4 time frames support zones, or key support zone was 4500. Okay, that area was our support zone, and exactly that thing happened in there. That means market just want to touch 4500 and it just closed around there. Okay, so there is possible way to go upper side from there, there is way to go downside from there. It really depends on how the fundamental comes and how we analyze the technical. Okay, so if I want to talk about the upper trends or upper trend line, let me draw another support area from upper side. That was exactly 48. Let me make it perfect. Okay, as you can see there, our upper current resistance area is there 4881 current. And if I want to draw another trend line over there, that means there to there. Okay, if I want to draw, as you can see there, market just touch our that trend line area, and there is possible to go buy, or if we got a breakout from there, we can wait for a pullback, then we can continue for sales technically. Okay, and if I want to draw another support area behind there, that means if I want to make that a bit perfect over here, as you can see there, that is exactly 14379. We had a support area there, and we have a resistance there, we have a resistance there, and we have a big breakout there. Okay, and this is the current scenario or current situation, and there is a lot of fundamental factors will work there. And currently Trump is visiting China. Okay, China, and they just talking, US team just talking with Xi Jinping's teams, that means China's team, and they are really making a lot of agreement with China. That exactly demonstrated United States dollar business policy or trade policy. Okay, trade policy going to be stronger in upcoming days. That means trade policy is going to be stronger in upcoming days, means US positive for US. Okay, positive for US. And if we get anything positive for US, will be negative for gold. As per we know, USD is always runs opposite direction of XAU. That means gold is always runs opposite direction on XAU, and you have to keep a concern on USD, okay, USD. You have to keep your concern as always on USD, because gold is directly related on USD. So if anything happens that make USD stronger, that means positive for USD, that will make bearish momentum for gold. You have to keep your concern on that. And number two is wire issue, okay. Donald Trump just says that, or stated that a few hours ago. I just saw on forexfactory.com. Donald Trump just saw that he just thinking the war will be end as soon as possible, but there is a crucial moment running right now, and there is another conclusion. Iran is always want to increase their uranium production, and US just want to stop Iran's uranium production. That means they don't need to produce nuclear weapons or something like that. And Russia is demonstrated that means Russia's president Putin demonstrated that Iran need to send all of uranium to Russia, okay. And US also want to Iran's uranium sent to the US. So we need to analyze that thing also deeply. And in my opinion, Iran will never send their uranium US or Russia. So that is the crucial moment, or that is the critical thing that is going to happen. So we can say that war is not going to stop very soon. And if we continue in that situation and runs more time or some few months, that will directly impact on Hormuz Strait, okay, Strait of Hormuz. And if there is any blockade in Strait of Hormuz, that means oil price will go up. And due to US oil agreement, oil price go up means USD price will be go up. And if USD price go up, gold price will be directly fall, due to XAU always runs with opposite direction in USD, okay. That is the thing. And if that thing happens in upcoming weeks, in upcoming days, gold will fall more, okay. You have to keep your concern on that. And if there is any ceasefire agreement or ceasefire agreement happens in upcoming weeks, that means oil price will be go down, USD will be lose its strength, that means negative for USD, and gold will go up. So you have to keep your concern on that thing also. And we have also one more thing, that is economic calendar. That means Forex Factory or investing.com, you may visit anywhere, you can see there, okay. As you can see there, Trump just stated that 8 hours ago, okay. You have to keep your concern on that thing also. And if I click on more, as you can see there is major and semi-major US news in upcoming week. In Thursday, we have USD FOMC meeting minutes. So there is major market shift coming in that day. So if you are a trader or active trader, you need to keep your concern on that thing. And we have also those semi-major news. You have to keep your concern on that economic calendars news also, okay. So let's get back into our chart to find out our entries or find out our direction. So let's remove all of the previous drawing. We will find out our entry or key zones in H4. So as you can see there, in H4 time frame, we can clearly see if I want to draw something there is a resistance trend line. And if I want to draw another support trend line over here, okay, as you can see, there is already we got a breakout, but we have a support area over there, okay. If that support area breaks over there, we can continue our selling upon a pullback over there to there, okay. And that will be completely based on risk to reward ratio 1:3. That means if you want to take 100 pips SL, that means your reward will be 300 pips. That is the thing. If you follow that risk factor completely or properly, you will be gainer in upcoming trading days, okay. And we are posting a lot of things and a lot of analysis in upcoming days, so make sure that you are subscribed our YouTube channel. And we are posting 5 to 6 analysis that could be fundamental or technical into our public Telegram channel that is completely free. Link in the video description box. You may join our public Telegram channel to get a daily 1 or 2 free signal, 5 to 6 fundamental or technical analysis, and many more trading tips. So I hope all things is clear now. For more query or for free signal or free chart analysis, you may join our public Telegram channel t.me/FX Billionaire Hub, link in the video description box. Or if you want to know about our services and other things like robot and ES, so you may visit our website, link in the video description box. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.